Hi, I'm Tun, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about how Flatiron School helped me make a major pivot in my career. Before Flatiron, I spent 13 years as an international civil servant working at the United Nations. It was meaningful work and I learned a lot, but over time, I found myself wanting more. I've always had a passion for tech, and I started to realize that maybe it wasn't too late to make a change in my career. Flatiron ended up being that catalyst that I needed. I graduated from their software engineering program in the summer of 2019. And from day one, it gave me the tools, the structure, and the support to completely change the direction of my career. My first role after graduating was as a support engineer, where I helped support both internal and external apps that we had built in-house. It was a great way to get experience and to learn how things worked behind the scenes. About a year later, I was promoted to software engineer, and I had a big hand in building out a donation platform and a custom survey tool, both from the ground up. It was challenging, exciting, and exactly the kind of work that I had hoped to do after I made that switch. And now today, I'm a web services manager at a digital agency. I oversee multiple projects and lead a team of engineers. Every day, I get to combine my technical background with leadership and strategy, and I genuinely love what I do. Flatiron gave me the confidence and the foundation to start over and to succeed. And if you're considering the program, I'm here to tell you that it's worth it. Thanks.